house, somebody came over and started putting an alternator on for him, and I guess they took it off and they can't get it back on. So yeah, this is the less glamorous part of the job, is going and fixing the job that somebody else started, of calling basket cases, because you never know what you got. So we'll see what's going on with it. Well, that wasn't too bad to fix. I didn't video because the customer didn't want to be on video, so he was standing there watching me, but it's all good. So the alternator was bad. AAA came out because it wouldn't start. They checked the battery, and the battery's bad, and then they checked the charging system. Said the the alternator's not putting out what it should be putting out. So this happened when I was working on their other car the other day, and I told them I would do it, but I guess, I don't know who it was, a neighbor or a friend or somebody volunteered. Well, they took the old one off, we got a rebuilt one, at parts house, whatever, I don't know. But when he went to put it back on, obviously he didn't have a tool to release the serpentine belt tensioner, because he was trying to put the alternator back on with the belt on it. So he couldn't get the bolt started, obviously, because the tensioner's pulling the belt down. Had the alternator at a real funky angle. So he gave up on it yesterday, I guess. So I went over there, popped the belt off, got all the bolts in the alternator, tightened them down. Then I had to run back because I didn't bring my serpentine belt tool, because in this certain car you had to have it, because there was like this much room to be able to get to it. So, but it's all done, it's all good. So just tip of the day, don't try and put an alternator on with the belt on. Speaking of AAA, there's a battery truck in front of me. You might be heading over there to put a battery in for them. I hope so, because they'll be ready to go. And yeah, just as usual, get out there and fix something. Oh yeah, today is Monday. Martin Luther King Day. Happy Martin Luther King Day. Hope everybody's enjoying their day off. If you have a day off, if you don't, sorry. I'm off, but I'm on standby at work, so fun times. But anyway, when I get back to the house here in a few minutes, I am going to start the video about the $300 budget tool set to get you started working on cars. So that should be up later today, or tonight, or at the same time as this one. I don't know, but hey, get out there and fix something. Get in the garage and fix something. Go to your neighbor's house and fix something. Just go fix something.